model, 2014 Ford Transit mk8 2.2TDCI 125PS 350 L3H3 front-wheel drive, runs turbo, needs replacing. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 99,652. MOT, the 10th of January 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash due to this nice easy job. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows.